Hello guys, welcome back. And yep, so perfect. So we are here with today's problem, and like in fact, it's given past in the past days. So we are discussing the solution. So let's get started into the problem. If you observe the problem asks that a random sample of size 11 is taken out from uniform 0, 2. If you observe, this is a PDF of uniform 0, 2, uniform 0, 2, and it's asked to find the expectation of x1 11, that is x order n plus x order 1 by 2. Okay, so if you observe it over here, it's x order 1 n plus x order 1 by 2 is expectation. So there's something interesting, there's some interesting result over here which we're going to show. Is that if we'll use it over here, is if x follows uniform 0 comma theta, then x by theta follows uniform 0 comma 1. Superb. And using this result, what we can show is that x1 x2 xn follows uniform 0 comma 2. So x1 by 2 x2 by 2 dot dot xn by 2 will follow uniform 0 comma 1. And if you call this as y1 y2 or yn, then the first order statistic of yi is equal to, you can understand the first order statistic of 1 by 2. It's easily understandable, right? And similarly, say last order statistics of this, because it's natural, we are just like if you arrange it, it's like taking a set of numbers, arranging it in increasing order, and then dividing it by 2. So it's like the arrangement remains same. Okay, in increasing order. So y order n is nothing but x order n by 2. So if we can, so it's asked to find expectation of y1 plus y2, y1 plus yn, and it's same as expectation of y1 plus expectation of yn. So if we can find out the order statistics of uniform 0 comma 1, we can easily find out the expectation of yn and y1 and yn, like order 1, y order 1 and y order n. This is really interesting. This is a really interesting result. If y1 y2 yn follows uniform 0 comma 1, the order statistics are the relationship with beta. So y order 1, if you remember, like if you want to remember it, you can just pause the video and think for some time. Then y order 1 actually follows something interesting. Y order 1 follows beta. Okay, so y order 1, follows beta. Rather, y order k follows beta k comma n plus 1 minus k. It follows beta k comma n plus 1 minus k, and therefore y order 1 follows beta 1 comma n, and y order n follows beta n comma 1. If you remember beta distribution, beta distribution has a mean of alpha comma beta. Alpha comma beta has a mean of alpha by alpha plus beta, right? So therefore both of them has, so yn, expectation of yn, y1 is nothing but 1 by n plus 1, and expectation of yn is nothing but n by n plus 1. So if you add it up, you will get expectation of y1 plus yn is equal to 1. And that's exactly what we are required to find. And that's exactly what is this. Okay, so that's exactly what we are required to find. expectation of that plus that. Perfect. So that's it, and that's a really beautiful problem. Yep. So also our crash courses are going on ID Jam. If you're preparing for ID Jam MS for 2022 or 2023, or new batch for 2023 starting from Platinum, the Platinum batch is starting from February. Just for the ID Jam, you can get all the informations out there. And also, if you're looking for some crash course and mock tests for ID Jam 2022, then you can find it. So all the best, guys, and have a very good night, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Stay tuned and stay blessed.